Most people use ChatGPT completely wrong. They ask vague questions, get average answers, and spend more time rewriting prompts than actually getting work done. In this video, I'll show you 5 ChatGPT prompts that save me over 2 hours every single day. These prompts work for students, professionals, freelancers, content creators, and business owners. Let's get started. Here's why most people struggle with ChatGPT. They provide very little context. They don't assign a role. And they expect amazing results from weak prompts. The truth is simple. Better prompts create better answers. A single well-written prompt can save hours every week. Let's compare a bad prompt with a good one. A bad prompt is simply, write a blog. A good prompt tells ChatGPT exactly what role to play, who the audience is, and what outcome you want. The more specific your instructions, the better the results. The first prompt is called the expert prompt. Simply say, act as a profession and help me solve a problem step by step. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to act as a marketer, lawyer, developer, or consultant. This instantly improves the quality of the response and can save over 30 minutes every day. Notice the difference. Without assigning a role, the answer is generic. But when ChatGPT acts as an SEO expert, the response becomes structured, actionable, and far more valuable. This is one of the easiest ways to improve your results immediately. The second prompt is the summarizer prompt. Just ask, summarize this content into 5 key takeaways and action steps. This works perfectly for reports, PDFs, meetings, research papers, and long articles. Instead of spending 20 minutes reading, you can get the important points in seconds. Here's a perfect example. Instead of reading a 1,500-word article, ChatGPT extracts the most important information and presents it in a simple format. What might take 25 minutes manually can often be done in less than 2 minutes. The third prompt is the email generator. Simply explain the situation and ask ChatGPT to write a professional email. This works for client communication, HR requests, leave applications, follow-ups, and much more. It's a huge time saver for anyone who writes emails regularly. In this example, we ask ChatGPT to create a sick leave request. Within seconds, it generates a clear, professional, and polite email. No need to stare at a blank screen wondering how to start. The fourth prompt is the research assistant. Ask ChatGPT to research a topic and provide key facts, risks, opportunities, and conclusions. This is extremely useful for business research, AI tools, investments, market analysis, and decision-making. It can save more than 30 minutes every day. Traditional research often requires opening multiple tabs and reading dozens of articles. With ChatGPT, you can organize information in minutes. You get facts, insights, risks, opportunities, and conclusions all in one place. The process becomes dramatically faster and more efficient. The fifth prompt is my favorite. The content creator prompt. Ask ChatGPT to create a complete content plan, including titles, scripts, captions, hashtags, and calls to action. This works for YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, blogs, and almost any content platform. With a single prompt, ChatGPT can generate a video idea, thumbnail concept, social media caption, and relevant hashtags. What normally takes nearly an hour can often be completed in just a few minutes. Here's a bonus prompt, the productivity prompt. Ask ChatGPT to create the most efficient step-by-step plan for completing a task. It will help you prioritize actions, manage time, and focus on what matters most. Let's add it up. The expert prompt saves around 30 minutes. The summarizer saves 20. Email generation saves 15. Research saves 30. Content creation saves 45. Combined, that's over 2 hours saved every single day. To get the best results from ChatGPT, be specific. Always provide context. Assign a role whenever possible. Ask follow-up questions. And save your best prompts so you can reuse them later. The goal isn't to work harder. The goal is to work smarter. The right prompt can completely change the quality of your results. Start using these prompts today and see how much time you can save. Which prompt are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, subscribe to PromptPulse for more AI tips, productivity hacks, and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.